You walk over to your Lennox furnace expecting to see the usual steady light, but instead, it's blinking at you, almost like it's trying to send a secret code, and honestly, that's exactly what it's doing. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through what those blinks mean, why they happen, and what you can do before picking up the phone to call a technician. Let's break it down. If you see a red light blinking steadily, your furnace isn't just misbehaving, it's actually locked itself out. That happens when the furnace tries to ignite again and again, but never succeeds. Maybe the igniter isn't working, maybe the gas supply isn't right, but the furnace shuts itself down for safety. At this point, the best move is to call a pro, because repeated ignition failure needs proper diagnosis. Lennox furnaces use blinking patterns to communicate specific issues. Here's what the most common ones are trying to tell you. 3 blinks. Pressure switch. Trouble. When you see 3 flashes, the furnace is struggling with air pressure. That pressure switch is there to make sure the exhaust system is doing its job. If it senses a problem, the furnace shuts down for safety. You can check the vent pipes, replace the filter, or look for loose hoses. But deeper troubleshooting should be done by a technician. 4 blinks. Overheating alert. 4 blinks usually mean one thing. The furnace is getting too hot. Restricted airflow or a blower that's not doing its job can cause this. Before you panic, try the basics. Clear the vents, replace the filter, make sure nothing is blocking the airflow. 5 blinks. Flame rollout. Warning. This is a serious one. If you see 5 blinks, the flame rollout switch has tripped, which means flames are going places they shouldn't. Blocked exhaust, burner issues, gas flow problems. Any of these can cause it. And if this switch keeps tripping, stop and call a professional immediately. 6 blinks. Pressure switch. Failure. 6 flashes point to a pressure switch that isn't working at all. It might be clogged vent pipes, or the inducer motor may be having issues. Clear any obstructions, check the intake and exhaust, and be ready to replace the switch if needed. 8 blinks. Ignition lockout. 8 blinks mean the furnace is trying to ignite and failing over and over again. Clogged burners, a weak igniter, or a stubborn gas valve are usual suspects. Cleaning and igniter checks can help, but if that lockout returns, it's time for a tech. 10 blinks. High stage overheat. And finally, 10 flashes. This one means the furnace overheated while running in high stage, usually due to blocked airflow. Clean filters, clear vents, and make sure nothing is restricting the movement of air through the system. If this guide helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more furnace troubleshooting tips.